Here we have a 67 plate BMW 520d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, which really does contrast nicely against all the black accents. Got the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter as well. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find we have the second alloy wheel down here, as you can see again in excellent condition. We do also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so it includes the side skirts which are running along the bottom. We also have colour coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. Coming around to the rear, you find front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the rear diffuser with the dual exhaust, and here's a look at the rear end. Now if you just press this button here on the key, and you can see the boot will pop open like so. Inside of the boot you find we have plenty of space, it does go quite far back. We also have the storage net on the left hand side with storage pockets on either side as well. We have a handle underneath here so we can pull it back down. And walking back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we take a look at the interior, inside of the back you'll find the full black leather interior. We have the blue stitching as well, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well back here. We do also have the ambient lighting on the doors, vents in the centre for the rear passengers, electric windows as well on the doors. At the front you find the same full black leather interior. Both front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable, as you can see down there. And there's a look at the passenger side. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Got the automatic lights down here, automatic wipers. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside. We've got the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle starts up for us. Got the cruise control, speedometer here on the left hand side, paddle shifters as well on either side. As you can see, we are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard. We also have the main screen in the centre. Now if any of the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We have many more features on here, so you can press onto these buttons, which are the shortcuts. You find the media options with the radio stations. We also have these other options down here which you can scroll through. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. If you go onto the main menu, go onto My Vehicle Settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting. Many colours on here which you can go through, as you can see just there. Runs all the way across here and across the doors. Looks really nice, especially at night time. We do have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And moving further down, you'll also find the climate control for the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side, all working as they should do. Inside of here you find some storage space. We have a 12-volt connectivity, a USB port and 2 cup holders which can be closed like so. We then have the automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. So press onto here, you find Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also the adaptive drive mode, which also changes the look of the dashboard for the different drive modes, as you can see just here. And if you put the car into reverse, you find the parking sensors will appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 520d M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as we expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fight the steering wheel to keep in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side. So if you want to turn the car into manual mode, you can simply tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the cruise control speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, we can show with different displays that you would have seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. If you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. And we also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which again does really sound incredible. We have the full leather seats in this vehicle, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, within 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And they're also electrically adjustable as well, again adds to that comfort level. We have many more features as well on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the main screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav. Also has more features on there you would have seen on the photos, such as the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. We also have the ambient lighting, which runs throughout, looks really nice, especially at night time. Intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And we do have the dual zone climate control just down here with the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for them hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearboxes, which is really smooth, and it also has the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on. We're starting to slow down and we wait for these cars to go past before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So taking the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car then into reverse. We have the parking sensors that appear on the screen, back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.